People choose to straighten their hairs for looking prettier and for their convenient. Being prettier is necessary for you and not for the people surrounding you. So ask them to suck it. Anyways, you want to look prettier, just go ahead and do it. So now beauty is of different forms. So most of them like if you do a straightening and most of them doesn't. If you feel that suits your face or that suits your entire body posture, then you can go for it. You don't need to think of how it looks, how will people think about me. No, it's about your choice. It's about how you live. And anyways, you will live your own life, right? You don't include anybody in that. So it's about your wish and your decision. So as I said, beauty is of different form. Maybe they like or maybe they don't like. Now coming to the main point, straightening is a chemical process. Yeah, we all know that it's a chemical process and many chemicals are included in that, and this will harm your hair. But if you follow some rules to maintain your hair properly, then you can succeed in this. So before I got my straightening done, I just treated my hair. I treat my hair not from this side. I eat right. That's how I treat my hair. I eat stuffs like amla and gooseberries, the same thing, okay, and curry leaves, natural curry leaves. I mean, organic curry leaves. If you can identify the difference between organic and inorganic in curry leaves, and also some protein. For me, my hair was just like the other parts of my body. Yeah, I let it grow. I let it, I let it be like that. And yeah, I treat my body in other ways. I do diet sometimes, and I give a diet for my hair. And that is how I have food for my hair, only for my hair. Choose the food, make a list of which all food will help your hair to grow longer and make it stronger. Being longer is not that big deal, because even though if you have long hairs, you should have a strong hair, otherwise you don't feel it. And wait, I'm not going to tell you about nanokeratin difference, about straightening difference, smoothing difference. No, for me it's like how important your hair is and how you take care of it, and it should last for longer. So once you go into the salon, just they will ask you what you want. You want to get smoothing, straightening, nanokeratin, get it done. Okay, they'll give you some shampoo and some conditioner and maybe a hair mask. It depends on the company you're going with. Maybe a L'Oreal or Matrix or maybe some other products, maybe Biolage. So depending on that, they'll give you some products. So make sure you use them properly. So after getting it done, don't flap your hair like this, or go on a very windy day outside, or don't travel too much, don't sweat too much. Keep your workout for 2-3 days apart, and then eat right. So make sure you eat lots of nuts and fruits, maybe almonds and all so much, and cucumbers so much, so that your body and all will become strong. Because when you do straightening, the hair absorbs all the nourishments and moisturizer from your body on top of your hair, and that's why it glazes too much. So the salon people gave me this shampoo and this hair mask. So this one you can call it as a hair mask or a conditioner. This is used instead of conditioner, after you shampoo your hair. And so this is the brand from Schwarzkopf, I think that's how you pronounce it. And it's like, I bought it from the salon, so it was like $900. So I checked it online, it was just $750. Yeah. It's a very nice brand and the fragrance is very good. So this is the shampoo you need to use after you get your hair straightened, and this mask. It's a peptide repairing stuff. No, it's written over here. And it's for chemically treated hair only. And don't tell Larya use this and everything went off. You told me no. And this is from the brand Optic Long from Matrix. And this is a serum. You can apply it when your hair is 75% dried. Just take a little bit in your hand and then apply it on your hair. Actually, the salon people ask you to not to use oil because the straightening will start fading off. I didn't want to go to the salon quite often, so I tried doing spa at my home, buying this one. This is L'Oreal Professional Hair Spa. I bought for 600 rupees. So you buy this, then it helps you for like one whole year, so you don't want to spend. so much going for a salon and spending 1,500 every time you go for a spa. It's like you need to do your hair spa at least twice in a month, so that is necessary. That's good for your hair. So I recommend you to buy this and use it at home. There are other videos which shows you how you should use this thing, so you can follow that. So if you follow all these things, your hair will become prettier and convenient for a longer time, even after 2-3 months also. Only then your flip-flop works properly. Thanks for watching my video, guys. So if you want me to tell more about this thing, I will tell, only if you request me on the comment section below. And if you like my video, make sure you subscribe if you are new, and also give it a comment like if you like it or not, and also share it with your friends, share it with your girls, girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever it is. So see you with another wonderful and beautiful video the next time. Bye.